Hello little scientist, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We all know that salt is a very important part of our food. Without salt, our food becomes tasteless. But have you ever wondered where does this salt come from? Let us perform an activity to understand where our salt comes from. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Physical and Chemical Changes Activity Kit. From the kit, take out the Petri dish. You will also need some salt, spoon and a glass 1/4 filled with water from your home. Add 1 teaspoon of salt in water and mix it well until the salt completely dissolves in water. Like this. Take the Petri dish. Fill half of the Petri dish with this salty water like this. This salty water is similar to the sea water or saline lakes. Leave this solution in sunlight for 1 day. Observe what happens the next day. You will observe salt crystals in the Petri dish. The mixing of salt and water is a physical change. When the salt is mixed with water, the salt molecules occupy the intermolecular spaces between the water molecules. When the solution is left in sunlight, the water evaporates, leaving the salt behind. When we mix salt with water, no new substance is formed. Hence, it is a physical change. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.